G'day guys, Brock here from Window Cleaning World, here to show you the new Louvre Buddy. This is a tool that we've designed and 3D printed and we make here at the shop. It's designed for cleaning louvers. So I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of how to do that. Sorry about the bird noise, it got a bit crazy this afternoon, but simply just get some soapy water in your bucket, give it a good soaking like that. You want to open up your louvers, you can go all the way flat if you want. And it's designed to easily and quickly put on like that, and you can just scrub side to side like that. Really get on those brackets on the end. Thanks, birds. Depending on how dirty it is, how much you'll need to scrub them. These haven't been cleaned since we moved shop, but now if you've got a DI system, you can use the Louvre Rinse Kit that we sell at Window Cleaning World. If you haven't seen this before, it's a 12mm tube with a cutout that fits over louvers really well. It doesn't come with this valve here, but if you've already got one, you can use that or add it into your system. But we've just got just low pressure coming from our new unit coming soon. Quick sneak peek. But all you need to do is actually just close the louvers almost all the way, and we'll get our water going. And then just pop it on the louver there, rinse it. You can rinse out that bracket really well. Because you're doing it with purified water, you don't have to detail it, you don't have to squeegee it. You just leave it open and let it dry. So this is a really, really quick way of doing louvers now. No stuffing around with trying to use a T-bar or any other way to scrub the louvers, but these two tools, you'll be cleaning louvers really quick. Thanks for watching, guys. If you've got any questions, leave us a comment down below. You can always call us at the shop or send us an email. Thanks for watching. See ya.